Good morning. I'm going to talk about the macros. Okay, a macro is a single instruction that executes a set of instructions. Actually, these set of instructions are nothing but keystrokes, otherwise formulas, because sometimes we are repeating the same one. Example may be formulas, example may be some formatting. Okay, one Excel sheet, one format you used, for suppose background and some of the options you applied. Same background and same option, same design, I want to copy to other Excel sheets. Means again, no need to apply by using options and all. Just call the macro. Okay, this is called macro. These macros are used to repeat the repeated work. It is used to these macros are used for repeating the work without again without again typing the options and without applying without applying the options. Okay, it's a repeated work. So, but suppose this background work, whatever I have done, some design I did, this design should be copied to 30 Excel sheets. So 30 times no need to do. Just you call the macro 30 times enough. Automatically, the background design automatically pasted. So that is called a macro. Now, before that, we have to enable the macro means. So here, you have to go to the tools, go to the options. Okay, under the options, you go to the advanced. In this advanced, you have to click on the two check boxes. Then apply, click on OK. Automatically, okay, the macros are enabled. Okay, now if you now see this is apply before I have done just undone because I want to do again one more time. So here now already I enabled the macros. Okay, so how to see the macros where it is means under the tools these macros are available here. See, so this menu is enabled. But suppose if you are not activating externally, this menu won't be like this. It is disabled. You can't get these options. So first of all, you have to enable externally by click on the tools, options, advanced. In that two check boxes you have to select. After then click on OK. Okay. Now see, I want to record the macro. So I want to do one design for this worksheet. That design I want to reuse for this design for other sheets. So for that, I want to enable the macro. To this is the repeated work. Go to the tools, go to the macros. Okay. So under the macros, record macro. Now see what I am doing. Very simple thing I'm doing here. What is that? Just I'm applying one border for this. Applying one border. Okay. This border. After then, I'm applying one background color also. That's it. So this design I want to apply for other sheets also. So just go for stop recording. Once you click on the stop recording, automatically one dialog box came. Okay, in this, so first create the module. Module is nothing but your folder. All your macros are under the one folder. Mean that is good. So here I'm giving new module. So I'm giving here 10th grade. Okay, 10 grade 10. Here macros never this macro name and all. It should be start with alphabets. If you give 10, it won't allow. Okay. So, but suppose if you want to give 10 means what will happen? See, I want to give this 10 grade. It won't allow because, see, invalid name. Why? Because macros are, a macro name starts from alphabets. So, grade 10. It's okay. Yes, allow. Click OK. So, this is the module. Click OK means, see, okay, now see, grade 10 it will be there. Now, what is this macro name? So I'm giving what I have done, just macro. I applied the background only, just background. That's it. Okay. Click OK. Click save. Click save. Now my macro is saved under my directory grade 10. Now come to here. Go to the one more sheet. Sheet 3. This is empty sheet. Without applying these options, I want to get the same work, the same design. For that, what you want to do is very simple. You can run the macro. How to run the macro? Again, go to the tools. go to the tools and macros here, run macro. Click on run macro and select the macro. My macro is grade 10, that is background, automatically selected. Click run. See, automatically this whatever the design is applied. That means what? I never again applied any options. Directly it came from the macro. So this is the one of the uses. Now second use is copying the formulas down. Example, for a class, 30 students are there. I am maintaining 30 sheets for each and every exam. For suppose the term one exam. So the term one exam, all the labels, everything is same here. Okay. Only the formula I want to apply for 30 sheets. So 30 times I don't want to repeat the formula. Okay. I don't want to type the form. Just one time you record that formula and rest of the times you can run the macro. Okay. So for that, I'm using one more uh, uh, file. Okay, so here already some files are here. Term one, see. Okay, this is term one. Now I am deleting all these things. Okay, so here also just I want to delete all the things. This is not part of okay macros. This is track changes option before I enabled. That's why it is coming like this. So I'm deleting again. This is not part of macro. Okay, this is track changes option. That's why before I'm conducting the lesson, I enable all these things. That's why it is. Okay. And here also sheet 3. Okay. Now, here I want to run the macro. Okay. I want to record the macro. So for the formula total, for the formula average. Okay. For that, again, enable the record the macro. Click on the tools. Okay. Record macro. Now see, my macro is getting recorded. It is now functioning now. So here what I'm doing equals, so equals sum. Okay. So from here to here, IT. That means what? C3 to G3. And here we can, this is the formula. Okay. Press enter. Automatically the total is calculated. So simply drag it. Okay. Next. This is for the formula total is out. And for formula average also equals average. Okay. And what is that? From here to only IT only. Okay. Average also up to subjects only. Okay. Here just give the right click and click on OK. Here press enter. So it should come up to here. That's it. Okay. Now this is over. So stop recording. It is asking. Okay. So name. So already grade 10. I'm giving here macro. This is formula. Otherwise term macro term. This is term one. This is term one result. Okay. Click save. Now what I want to do here, sheet 3. Okay. So I want to calculate for sheet 3. So here assume that some marks are there. 78, 79, 80, 90. Here again. Okay. Otherwise, you can go. I don't want to type all these things. Sheet to already get ready for me. Yeah. Here you can go for the recording, whatever the macro is there. I don't want to apply the formula for the total and average because already I stored in the macro. So run the macro. So here tools, how to run tools, macros. Here run macro. What is the macro name? This is macro term. Automatically click run. See this formula. Sum C3 to G3. Perfect or not? Sum C3 from here from C3 from here to again G3 here. Perfect. That is 230. Average. See here. What is the average formula? C3 to G3. So Perfect. So I didn't apply anything. What I have done, simply I run the macro. So automatically the formulas also calculated. Hope you understood. So this is called macro. Hope you understood. Okay. So macros are nothing but single instruction which contains the sequence of sequence of steps. The sequence of steps may be anything. Okay. So